Church. Restoration Church. For walking. For the women of Honduras. Today. Let's go.
Hello, so exciting to do the March for Women together. We're so excited to do things together. We're praying for you and blessings to you. Go.
Hi ladies, keep up the good work. We're so proud of you.
Hi, I'm Nikki. We're so proud of you. Can't wait to meet you guys.
Okay. Hello, I'm Caitlin.
I'm Janie.
Okay, perfect.
Hi, I'm Sangeeta. All the best.
Yeah.
We hope you guys stay strong.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Hi Daniela,
Hi.
why are we hiking today?
We are hiking today for March for Women with Restoration Church.
Bye!